Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So here comes the Faber 60 centimeter 2019 model chimney, where you can see the model name on the box piece, which says Hood Crest Plus HCSC BK60, which has curved glass on the chimney, and the maximum airflow is 1200 cubic meter per hour. It is also called as suction power, and the chimney operates at 220 watts 50 Hz single phase AC only. This comes with the normal exhaust pipe and with other accessories. The price you can see on the box is 28,990, but we have got it for 17. You can also check the links in the below description so that you can buy the product easily. And here, after the unboxing, here is the product where you can use it with 3-speed motion, touch and gesture control, where you can swipe right to increase the speed and swipe left twice to turn off the system or the chimney. And this comes with 2 LED lights, and here are the filters you can see in the below, and with oil collector box near the edge. This has the auto clean button where you can auto clean the chimney once for every 2 months, and you can also turn off by tapping on the red button. So like this you can easily turn off the chimney when not in use. And this has the 5-year warranty on motor and 1 year on product. This chimney fits best for the kitchen size of 200 SFT, and this is the wall mounted chimney that sounds at 58 dB. And you can also check the aluminum pipe which we have bought from online for an extra charge. And that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon.